Hi everyone, I welcome you back to this channel, Technical Drawing Masterclass. Today we are going to look at the construction of an isosceles triangle. Remember, an isosceles triangle is a triangle which has two sides and two angles that are equal. So let's get into it. So with our plain sheet of paper already bordered, we are going to draw a horizontal line parallel to one of the border lines. So the perimeter of the isosceles triangle being given will be 150 millimeters and the altitude will be 50 millimeters. So first we are going to measure off our 150, which is our perimeter. Okay, so when you're done, we have point A, point B, and point O, which is the midpoint of line AB. So at O, we are going to raise a perpendicular, which will be the altitude of the triangle. So after you drawing the perpendicular, we are going to measure off 50. Okay. So at our point here, we call this point C, whereby OC is 50 millimeters. So I join A to C. Then after that, I'll bisect AC. Okay. So I join these 2 points where these arcs meet to draw the bisect of AC. Okay, so you find that this bisector that divides AC meets line AB at a point maybe P. Okay, let's call this point P. So now we join point P to C. Okay, so when you're done, get your compass, place it at O, adjust it until point P. Okay, you draw that arc. So we call this point M. So we join point M to C. Okay, so when you're done, you find that triangle CPM is our isosceles triangle, whereby you find that this side is equal to this side, and also this angle here is equal to this angle. So this is our required triangle. Just want to say thanks for watching and being with me until the end of this video. To support this channel, I would like that you subscribe, like and comment. So, and also the other thing is, if you really need the steps I've followed up to get this print, I'm going to include them in the description box. Thanks for watching.